In this first video we are going to see terminal commands. First is how to start terminal, that you can see Control plus Alt plus T, that is shortcut to open terminal. Next command is type info. Here you will get info about the shell that you are using. This is scale command that will show you calendar of current month. If you want to see calendar of a particular year, then cal and then year. Here we are going to see month and year calendar. So the second argument is month and third is year after cl command. If you want to see clear command, is to clear the output screen of terminal. This cal 2024 command that we have used, that will show calendar of 2024 with all months displayed. Now cal 2024, then pipe symbol or vertical bar, and then more. Here you will see it like this. If the whole calendar is not occupied in your screen, then you will get more option in the bottom of the screen, and as soon as you press enter, one line output you will get here. Date command by default will show you date and time both. Now if you want to see date only, then date space plus % at capital D. When you press enter, you will get output of current date only. Same way to see the time, plus % and T after date command. It will show current time that is in the system. Now BC-L, this will open basic calculator in terminal. First of all, we will check by adding two numbers. We are typing here random numbers. Here one expression we have written, and we will get the result of this expression. So it will work like a calculator. L, and in bracket some value we have written, that will show logarithmic value of that number. Now sqrt, and in bracket whatever number we will write, we will get square root of that given number. Here O base is equal to 16. That means we are converting output base in hexadecimal. Now we have typed some number. As soon as I will press the enter, I will get that number in hexadecimal code. Now O base is equal to 2, that is binary. Now we have written that number, and in binary equivalent we are getting that number. To exit this command line calculator, we can use Control plus D.